All right, y'all. So in the sneaker community, it could be the very first start of the year, man. February or January, and you guys are already saying, this is sneaker of the year. So I hear that a lot. And sometimes when people be saying a shoe is sneaker of the year, I never get access to it, and I can't tell you guys my honest opinion. People be like, man, you should really check it out. But today, hey, y'all been saying this is sneaker of the year. We about to find out. Let's unbox this sneaker.
Faith, hard work, and dedication is the means. If they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology.
Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we got an unboxing. Not just any regular unboxing. A lot of you guys are saying this sneaker right here is sneaker of the year. And you know what? I'm going to tell you guys what my honest opinion is about it, because I feel like, yes, it is justifiable. Sometimes we can say, even though we haven't seen the rest of the sneakers for the remainder of the year, we can have a sneaker in our hand and we can look at it and we can say material-wise, everything like that, that yes, that sneaker is sneaker of the year. But before we get up into this unboxing, I'll tell you guys my opinion. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. You guys have been killing it so far with the likes, watching the content, and commenting. Keep it going. If this is your first time tapping in, scroll through some of the videos. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button for your boy. Now, with all that out of the way, let's open up this box. All right, so off rip, if y'all don't know what this is the Nigel Sylvester brick by brick Jordan 4. And I'm going to tell you guys, just even off of the box, man, as we start with this box, the material is A1. It literally feels like a brick. This is debossed, you feel what I'm saying? It is not just imprinted on there. And the texture of the box all the way around it feels like bricks, man. You got the Jumpman logo right there. And then if you look right here, here's the size tag. If you guys want to legit check this pair, there you go right there with the sizing and all that information. Just pause the video if you're trying to legit check it and do what you need to do. Now, this is a size 9. This is not my personal pair, but as we open up the box, as you guys can see right here, it's going to be that orange color in the inside of the box and nothing else major when it comes to the inside of the box. And as we look at the sneakers, they do come packaged like this, man. It's some more white paper in there, but I took the white paper out because I didn't want to have to go through all that nonsense. But the shoes are individually wrapped in clear Ziploc bags, and then you have this blue strap around it, just like if some bricks were being delivered to you. You know what I'm saying? But as we take this off, I'm gonna stand up, show you guys. As we take this thing off right here, we're gonna go ahead and unfold this together. And like I said, each sneaker is individually wrapped in the plastic Ziploc bags with the quality control sticker on the inside of the bag, as you guys can see right here. That's the other one. And then on the inside of the box, it just has that Go for the Nigel Sylvester logo and stuff like that. No quality control sticker on here, the bottom of the box, and we're gonna throw this box to the side. As we take a look at the sneakers, the laces have already been swapped out to the white ones in here, but like I said, come individually wrapped like this. We're gonna open up the Ziploc bag. And on the bag is the quality control sticker right there. And then we have the sneaker right here, man. The Nigel Sylvester brick by brick Jordan 4. So just give me a second to take a look at the sneaker myself. Material looks good. Detail looks good. No paint marking. Production looks good. Bike on the back booty looks good. The bottom looks good. Hey, I can see why a lot of people say this is sneaker of the year. And boy, man, this thing smells amazing, bro. But here you go right here. If you haven't seen them, I hope the camera is really picking up the beautifulness of this sneaker. More of an orange tint than I thought, but like a deep orange. You feel what I'm saying? Some of the pictures look bright orange. Some of the pictures look blood red. But nonetheless, I feel like it's got a good balance between, well, as far as hues, color hues goes, as that orange and that red. But as you guys can see right here on the back end, let's start with the most appealing part of the sneaker, in my opinion. It's going to be that bike air on the booty, as you guys can see right there. It is in that pure white, and it's big and bold. Really love it. You have the white outsole right here as we leading out into the air unit. That's going to be that same orange color right there. And then the material, as you guys can see right here. I'm going to give you guys some strokes right here. Pause. Y'all see right here. Looks really good. Y'all see that material, man. Super good material when it comes to that upper. This is 3M behind this Cajun right here. These have the white laces in them because they were swapped out. The person that let me review these did end up swiping them out. Along the toe box, you do have this kind of like a rough material right here. Really detailed, as you guys can see. You got that white Nike swoosh right there. And then the toe box leather, man. As you guys can see, that toe box suede, that nubuck is really, really good. The white lace is really popping these things. On the tongue, you do have the Jumpman logo with the flight right there. It does not say Nigel Sylvester or Go or anything like that on it. On the inside of the sneaker, you do have the Jordan Air. The Go logo right there is going to be on the inside of the sneaker, and it's going to be that red sock liner. Also, on the inner side of the shoe is going to be the exact same thing. On the bottom, we do have hits of that Nike in that orange red colorway, and then we have hits of the white pods right there. But all in all, a super clean sneaker. Let me grab the other one so you guys can see it's nothing different. Like I said, they do come with the red laces originally stocked in these things. These are the only two laces that you do receive on them. But here's going to be the left one right here in the right one. Super clean sneaker in my opinion. Now, the question is this sneaker of the year? My answer is going to be, I can see why people say that. But for me, I can't call it sneaker of the year just yet until I see everything that we're going to have. That's the way I do sneaker of the year for me. I don't prematurely say it until the year's over with. And a lot of times sneakers of the year for me be the sneakers that I actually have in my collection. So this will not be in my collection. I'm able to review it, so I can say that. But sometimes I don't even grab the sneaker to tell you guys, is it sneaker of the year? But I will say this, man, buy this sneaker now. The resale for this thing is going to go up. It's not going to drop below anything than what it is right now. My current size, the 11.5 and stuff like that, is 500. It is not going to drop any lower than 500. This is a size 9, and I think he paid like $390 for it, 400. It's not going to drop any lower. It's just going to continue to escalate and go up. So I'm going to tell you guys to buy these things right now, man. And again, super clean sneaker. Super dope. Glad I was able to give you guys a review. Material is A1. The smell is just amazing on this thing. And again, I can see why people love this. Presentation, everything is good. But that's it for you guys. Y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions about the Air Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester Brick by Bricks? Is this a sneaker that you had to have? Did you pay the resale? Do you feel like this is sneaker of the year, or is this going to be a potential runner of sneaker of the year? It's definitely going to be top 3 in my opinion. But that's all I got for you guys. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. Or for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next video. Peace.